Hi, I'm Stan from Ballistic Systems, and we're going to talk about how to assemble the sensor board. Sensor board only has two parts, a cable and a photosensor or a photodiode that senses the light that comes out of the IR transmitter, and that in turn triggers the MD Basic or the MD Basic camera. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with the photodiode, and if you notice on the printed circuit board, it's a round circle with a flat side to it. Okay, and that corresponds to a flat side on the photodiode, which is right here. So what we do is we insert that into the hole, flat side in, okay, and I leave about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and I bend it forward like that. Then I hold it with my thumb, and I come onto the other side, and I spread the leads apart a little bit so it stays in the hole. And I'm going to go ahead and solder this into position. Now I'm using solder that I picked up from Radio Shack. It's 032 in size, and that's an ideal solder for solder size for kits because it helps eliminate solder bridges. Solder bridges are where you get solder where you don't want them to be, and you use solder wick to remove that, and it's in the instruction manuals of how to do that. So I've gone ahead and I've soldered in the photodiode, and I'm going to trim the leads. And I'm going to go ahead and reposition and bend that forward so it looks like that. And the last part to assemble is the cable. Okay, so I'm going to pull out a little length of cable. It has a red wire and a black wire, and on the board it says red and black to correspond with the appropriate wire. So I'm going to insert one of the wires into the hole, and I'm going to tie a knot. And this acts as a strain relief on the part, because if you didn't have it there, you would wear out the wire at the solder joint and the wire would break. So we eliminate that problem by tying a knot there, and the knot becomes a strain release for the part. So we just tied the knot, and I'm going to go ahead and insert the black lead into the side that says black wire, and I'm going to bend that a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and solder that into place. And it looks like a nice shiny Hershey Kiss, which means we have a good solder joint. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the red wire where it says red wire. I'm going to bend that over. And I've gone ahead and soldered that in place. And a good solder joint looks like a Hershey Kiss. Nice, shiny in that shape, and you have a nice clean solder joint. So this is what the photo sensor board looks like completely assembled. So I'm Stan Fico from Ballistic Systems, and thank you very much. You can find more information on our website at www.photoballisticsystems.com. We also have a YouTube channel where you can find additional information as well. Thank you.